Hello, I am Dharmishta. Today we will discuss about lesson number 3, Input and Output Devices Part 2. We will going to learn about a remaining part of the lesson. Topics are barcode scanner, magnetic ink character recognition, electronic card reader, speed and vision devices. Output devices are monitor, printer, projector, plotter and voice response. Now first one is barcode scanner. Many times you seen this type of device at market or mall. Shopkeepers read price and related information of particular product by using this type of devices. This device scan barcode given on the product. This type of scanner is known as handheld scanner. Here given the figure of barcode scanner. Barcode is made up of parallel string of different thickness. There is a standard coding system called Universal Product Code (UPC). Scanner read this barcode printed on UPC format and convert it into appropriate value. Now, optical character reader. Some scanners have facility to recognize a character from the image, that is from the scanned image of character. Computer can identify a character. This is done by matching image of scanned character with the stored image of character. This is done by matching image of a scanned character with a stored image of character. With this facility, the document image can be converted into document which can be further modified. This type of scanner is known as optical character reader. OCR is the use of technology to distinguish printed or handwritten text character inside digital images of physical documents such as a scanned paper document. The basic process of OCR involves examining the text of a document and translating the characters into code that can be used for data processing. OCR is sometimes also referred to as a text recognition. Now, optical mark reader. Some scanners identify a marks done by the special type of pen or pencil. This type of scanner is known as optical mark reader or optical mark recognition. OMR is the process of gathering information from human being by recognizing mark on the document. OMR is accomplished by using a hardware device that detects a reflection or limited light transmissions on or through a piece of paper. Now, magnetic ink character recognition (MICR). Magnetic ink character recognition is the technology that is prevalent in banking industries. It is used for faster processing of checks. This technology allows reading of information such as account numbering directly from the printed documents. MICR codes can be easily read and understood by the human, but barcode through easily read cannot be easily understood by the human. Here the content is written while using special magnetic ink prepared from iron oxide. Now next one is electronic card reader. Electronic card reader reads a content from small plastic card called electronic card. This data is read from the card and transferred to the computer. Bank ATM, automatic teller machine, cards and credit cards are such small plastic cards that contain information about the card holder. The information about current transactions is added from the card reader device. Now, speech and vision devices. Beside these popular input devices, speech and vision input device system is also popular. Speech input is used for long detection of text of correspondence as well as to develop a fully automatic system that operates on speech. Instead of entering a command by typing, selecting or scanning, direct voice command can be given. In this way, speech devices worked. Now, vision input is used for robots performing risky tasks like driving plane and performing surgery. Such input mechanism is very useful for people who are differently abled and generally find difficulties in operating typical computer systems. Camera is also used as input device like in laptop for automatic authentication of the user through a facial recognition. Now, here we discuss about output devices. The output devices, the devices that provide output to the user are called output devices. Here given, first one is monitor. Monitors are commonly used output devices. The output is presented on computer visually screen. This output is just for viewing purpose and hand copy cannot be taken. That's why it is called soft copy output. The cathode ray tube monitors and flat monitors are used to display information. Here given the figure about it. Typical monitors and at present flat monitors are very important because they are thinner in size and lighter in weight. Flat monitors use a technology of liquid crystal display and light emitting diodes. Now next one is printer. Printer provides hard copy output. There are a variety of printers that print a content in a different way. Some printers print a content character by character, hence called character printer or dot matrix printer. These printers are cheaper and slow. Other printers print line by line and that is called line printers. Another category of printers print a content by spraying small drops of ink. Such printers are called inkjet printers. Inkjet printers are slower and costlier than dot matrix printer. Similarly, there are printers available that create the image of whole page and print the full page at time using laser technology. This type of printer is also called laser printer. Laser printers are fastest and costlier in compared to another printers. Here given the figure of printers. Now, projector. You might have seen your teacher projecting teaching material on wall of your classroom or whiteboard. Output of computer is projected on bigger flat surface like wall or screen through an output device is called projector. Teaching material with the text, image, sound, graph and animation can be prepared and projected on the surface for better viewing. Such a projector are very useful for learning, demonstrating and presenting content. Software that helps in preparing such a content for presentation are available. Now, plotter. Plotter is a graphic printer that literally use an ink pen or to draw the images. The pen move around on the surface of the paper. Plotters can be draw data in vector graphics format, graphics that are made up of straight lines. Now last one is voice response. Stored voice and convert voice can be presented to user who do not want to see or read output on the monitor, projector or printer. Video games, automatic answering machine, alarms and signals, etc. are the applications that need voice input.